Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to present to you a rent management system. This rent management system is a web application developed with Laravel. So let's log in. You can go in your browser and just put in renta.agent.co.ug. So you'll see the login interface coming in. So I'll put my login credentials and I log in. After logging in, it will bring me to this dashboard here, whereby this dashboard will be showing the houses you have and their units and locations. As you see here, we have Sonde rentals. It shows location, number of units available, units occupied. If you look here at the Nansana rentals, location, number of units available, units occupied. Then Makindye rentals. So as we can see here, it shows you the number of rentals you have, the number of houses, and their location, number of units available, units occupied. As you see, all these are just demo data. Don't take it for serious. So here we have tenants paying today. All of them will be showing you on the dashboard. So let us start with this. First of all, we have the rental, the modules it has. We have rental records. On rental records, we have record payments, create tenants, discounts, security deposits, all units, then houses. First of all, you have to create the houses like this. Click on that button, then it will bring options here for the houses. So far we have Sonde rentals, Nansana rentals, and the Makindye rentals. So I'll add one. One I call it Kamocha rentals. Maybe Kamocha shops. So on those Kamocha shops, then they will ask for the location. Which location exactly? Kamocha is big, so I will put the location. Church Road. I save. After saving, then they'll ask for how many units are there. So I'll start adding units on those shops I have. Let me assume I have like 3 of them. I go to the units. I'll give the first 2 letters Kamocha Road 001. Then I choose here Church Road. Okay. Again, I add another one. Let me say like Kamocha Road 002. Then I choose Church Road. Then again, I'm assuming they're like 3. I say Kamocha Road 003. You choose how many you have. So those are so far the units I have, those shops I have around there. So from there, these are the shops I have. So next time we are looking at if I click on units, for example, we have put houses. Now if I click on units, you can see the units I have. So for all of these ones are available. All of these ones are available. Now if someone is taken, you will see that current tenants, Irish, this, like this, all of them will be in that format. Then I can say you can create the tenants now. Okay, create tenants. The tenants has come. I'll put one of I put the phone number. The business name. This one is going to go to the church road houses, those shops. I put salon. Business name, salon. That's the best name I can tell. So I add another tenant. I put another tenant. Also, let me say, business. Let me say electronics. Okay. So from there, after having put my tenants, you can see all these tenants which are here. So I added this one. I'm going to go to details. You can see name, phone number, business name, created by. Then let me go to details of this person. Click on details of that person. So these are the details of this person so far. For now, details of this person. So here I will come, I say, add units to tenant. I click on this one. I'm adding unit to this tenant. But this unit, I'm going to give this church road, Kamuga Church Road 001. It's what this person is taking. Monthly fee. How much is that rent? I'll put 600. 600. Like this. Date of starting payment. I'm going to start charging on first. Okay. I click on this date. 600. Okay. So is it available now? If I go back and I'm touching this one like this person, I have given him this unit 001. If I go back on home, we can see Makindye Kamocha. We have 3. You see, we have 3. Number of units, there are 3. Units available, there are 2. Units occupied, because I've just given 1 now to the remaining. So if I come back again on tenants, the tenants I have, let's click on units. Units, I have given this person this. When I click on what next, here we have add units to tenant, invoice service, add security deposit, add discount, record payment, print financial statement, rent, invoice, service, invoice, then payments. So I'm going to record the payment because this person is going to do the payment. Add payment. This is the charge. The amount you are supposed to pay. Month of payment. I choose is Feb. Okay. Then amount paid. I will put. I'll put 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to put 2.4. This is 2.4. Okay. So he has paid 2.4. So I click made of payment. I think this person has paid in cash. Cash made a payment. Receipt number I can put this maybe 001. Okay. Payment date. Brokers, this one he has paid it through me, but broker you can put, if at all he has brought a broker, you can give them the percentage. Select the bank. There is no bank because it is cash. Then save. We are saving. Okay. So this person, this is the amount that's paid month, amount paid, discount. Okay. But payments, if you look down here, payments, it means he has paid the month of Feb. This and this. Now he has paid 4 months. You can see all of them. Has paid 4 months, and this is the amount has paid because he paid it via this month, and this is the amount we have recorded. That means the money is going to be splitted into those months that it is finished. So you can remove, you can do this, but for now we are recording for this month which has paid. Discount, then balance. So that's what this person has done. If you want to print a receipt, for example, I'm going to print financial statement. There is the add discount, add security deposit, invoice service, payments, rent invoice. If I click on rent invoice, this is the security unit. I choose the started month. This is Feb. End month. This is I think it was May. Then save. So the tenant field is required. Okay. Rent invoice tenant field is required. Okay. Click here. Tenant field. Okay. That one is missing also. That's fine. Then if add security deposit. If at all the person has booked the house and you want to pay some deposit, you can choose this one, security deposit. That's what that means. The house is booked. Okay, the house is booked. So from there, we have also what we say discounts. You can give discounts. You can give another other thing required. So banks, you can go to different banks here. You can, for example, say supported banks. I click on this supported bank. Get the bank, for example, Equity Bank. For example, Equity Bank branch. I'll put one here. Account number, just like that. Just like that. I'm not saying to the one. Account name. I save. I save. This is what I put at the bank, supported the bank. Then bank deposits. Nobody has paid via bank, but if somebody pays via bank, then you see amount coming back here. You can record the deposit via bank. Amount, you put the amount, you put the voucher receipt number, you choose the bank, you post the buy, date deposited. That is also there. Then deposit receipt reports. Deposit receipt reports, you can choose the date here and this, for example, like that. Then choose here the Equity Bank, then you generate the reports. So far, we don't have any report here because we have not paid anything via bank. Then the other one is income. Income record. Before we do any income record, we need to have income accounts. Income accounts. First of all, I'll add one, which is like what? Water. Description. Water for tenants. Tenants. I save that one. Then the other one, I'll put electricity over your car. Those are income accounts. Then the other one, I record the income, or even you can show the income. You can show, for example, here, if I click on show, this is what will come. So you can now see transaction date, voucher number, particular income account name, this and this and this. So if I got the income, for example, for water, date of transaction is today, account, water, voucher number, maybe like this, particular, water, amount paid, let me say 5,000. Balance left 0. Person name, that one. Phone number, let me say that. So save. Okay, that one is there. So again, under income, these are all the things which we see. You can see this. Okay, you can see all this. So the other one, we can see the income report. Just put the date and then generate the report immediately. It will give this kind of report of what the income you have. You can show the income and everything. So the other one, we have services. You create the different category of service. Okay, put the different category of services you want to do. Then the other, you can record the service. You can tenant services also. Then the other one is expense accounts. First of all, go to the account expense account. One I will put expense. One I will put electricity. Maybe what kind of expense can I put? Let me put electricity. Electricity. Myself. The other one, I add Kasa save. Kasa. Okay. So from there, I will show, then I start adding those expenses there. Also, you can put a SCARI just in case. Then finally, we have users. You can add those different users which are there. Okay. different users. You can add as many as you want to who manages. So this is as simple as that. So you can subscribe to my account and have a demo for this system. And here we have all these shortcuts you can use. You can view defaulters reports here. You can defaulter by house, all active defaulters, all left defaulters, payment by house, all payments, tenant by house, all tenants, expense report, bank and deposit. All defaulters, all active defaulters, all of them can be seen from there. Now, for example, if I say defaulters, this person is a defaulter for all this. Okay, so thank you for listening.